Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to spice up your presentations with a video, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a full step-by-step 2025 guide on how to add a video in Google Slides. Whether you're using a YouTube link or a file from your Google Drive, this tutorial will make sure you can do it quickly and smoothly, so stick with me until the end. First, open your favorite web browser and head on to Google Slides. Sign in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, click on the blank presentation option, the big plus sign on the homepage. This opens a brand new empty slide where you can start building your presentation. Now that your slide is ready, look up at the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Video. This is where the magic happens. A new window pops up with two main options, YouTube and Google Drive. For a YouTube video, you'll see a search bar right inside the window. Type in the title of the video or paste the direct YouTube URL, then hit Search. Browse through the results, click on the video you want, and you're good to go. For a Google Drive video, if your video is already uploaded to your Drive, click the Google Drive tab. Navigate through your folders, find the video file, and select it. Once you've picked your video, click Select at the bottom. Embed and format the video. Your chosen video will now appear directly on your slide. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners of the video box, reposition it by clicking and dragging it to the perfect spot on the slide. You can even customize playback options, like setting it to start automatically during the presentation by using the Format Options panel on the right side. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Google Slides presentation. This is a fantastic way to make your slides more engaging, whether you're teaching, pitching, or presenting. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.